Imagine something in space so powerful, so immense that its jets of energy dwarf entire galaxies. Not just one or two galaxies, but 50 times the width of our own magnificent Milky Way. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, astronomers have just uncovered the incredible truth: 53 ancient quasars, each one a true biggest gun of the universe, firing cosmic ammunition on a scale almost beyond comprehension. And this discovery is rewriting our understanding of the early cosmos. Before we dive into this groundbreaking revelation, let's make sure that we are all on the same page. What exactly is a quasar? The name itself, quasi-stellar radio source, gives us a hint. For decades, when astronomers first detected these incredibly bright, distant objects, they looked like stars, faint point of lights, but their radio emissions were unlike anything else. We now know that the quasars are not stars at all. They are blazing, energetic cores of active galaxies, powered by truly monstrous supermassive black holes. These black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of our sun, aren't just passively sitting there. They are actively feeding. A gas, dust, or even stars spiral into black holes' immense gravitational pull. They form an incredibly hot, swirling disk called the accretion disk. This disk heats up to billions of degrees, emitting vast amount of radiation across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to X-rays and gamma rays. This makes them some of the brightest objects in the universe. So luminous, they can outshine all the stars in their host galaxy combined. But the story doesn't end with the accretion disk. As material gets superheated and compressed near the black hole, some of it isn't swallowed. Instead, powerful magnetic fields act like cosmic slingshots, channeling a portion of that energy and matter into incredibly fast moving culminating beam that shoots out from the black hole's pole. These are the quasar jets. These jets travel at a relativistic speed, a significant fraction of the speed of light, and can extend for millions of light years into intergalactic space. They are cosmic flamethrowers, sculpting their surroundings, influencing star formation, and even pushing entire clouds of gas and of galaxies. For a long time, we have observed these jets, knowing they were powerful, but this latest discovery pushes our understanding of their scale and impact to the whole new level. Now let's talk about the mind-blowing discovery itself. A team of international astronomers, using sophisticated telescopes and advanced data analysis, has uncovered 53 previously unknown powerful quasars. What makes these particularly so special, so utterly unprecedented? Their age and their size. They aren't just any quasars. They are ancient quasars, meaning we are observing them as they existed billions of years ago, when the universe was still relatively young. We are essentially looking back in time to an era when galaxies were just beginning to truly form and evolve. But the truly jaw-dropping aspect is the scale of their jets. Previously, observation has shown powerful jets, but nothing prepared scientists for this. These newly discovered quasars are shooting out jets and that are on average 50 times wider than our entire Milky Way galaxies. Let that sink in for a moment. Our Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. Imagine a single beam of energy and matter blasting through space, extended for 5 million light years or more. That's like taking our galaxy, multiplying it width by 50, and saying that how big just one of these jet is. It's a scale that challenges our perception of the cosmic power. These are truly the universe's biggest guns. The discovery of these ultra-wide quasars jet from an early universe is incredibly significant. Why? Because it provides crucial insight into how the universe itself evolved. In the early cosmos, matter was densely packed, galaxies were colliding and merging more frequently, providing a rich supply of gas and dust for the central supermassive black hole to feast upon. This intense feeding activity would have fueled these incredibly powerful jets. These ancient quasars are like cosmic lighthouses, shining brightly from the past, illuminating processes that shaped the universe as we see it today. They tell us about the conditions in the early universe, the rate of galaxy formations, and the growth of the first massive black holes. These immense jets aren't just spectacular to look at, they are active agents in galactical evolution. They are so powerful they can influence the birth of stars within their own galaxy and even in neighboring galaxies. Think of it this way: a powerful quasar jet can blast away a vast cloud of gas and dust from a galaxy. On one hand, this can quench star formation, removing the raw material needed to make stars. On the other hand, a shock wave from these jets can sometimes trigger star formation in other regions, compressing gas and causing it to collapse. It's a complex dynamic interplay, and understanding these megajets help us piece together the intricate puzzle of how galaxies grow, evolve, and sometimes even die. What makes these particular jets so exceptionally wide? That's a question astronomers are still working to fully answer, but several theories are emerging. It could be related to sheer abundance of fuel available in the early universe, allowing the black holes to accrete matter at truly large rates. More fuel means more energy and potentially broader and more powerful outflow. Another factor could be the spin of the supermassive black hole itself, or the orientation of the accretion disk relative to the surrounding galaxies. The environment in the early universe was also different, perhaps less dense, allowing the jets to expand more freely without encountering as much resistance. Each of these 53 discoveries provide new data points, new clues for scientists to refine their models of the black hole and the galaxy co-evolution. The technology required to detect and characterize these ancient distant giants is truly astounding. It involves combining data from multiple telescopes, often across different wavelengths, from radio observatory to optical and X-ray telescopes. These incredibly faint signals traveling for billions of years require immense sensitivity and sophisticated analytics techniques to pick up from the cosmic background noise. This discovery is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless quest to understand our place in the cosmos. It reminds us that the universe is far from more than dynamic, violent, and magnificent that we can often imagine, constantly revealing new wonders that push the boundaries of our knowledge. These ancient quasars, with their jets 50 times wider than the Milky Way, are not just distant curiosities. They are fundamental piece of the cosmic puzzle. They help us understand the energetic processes that drive galactical evolution, the growth of universe's most massive object, and the conditions that allow life itself to eventually emerge. They force us to reconsider the scale of cosmic power and the incredible forces at play in the early universe. As we continue to build our more powerful telescopes and develop new observational techniques, who knows what other biggest guns of the universe await discovery. So, friends, what do you think about these incredible ancient quasars? Does the sheer scale of their jet amaze you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing space content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the universe's greatest mystery. Thanks for joining live, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video, Among the Stars. Bye for now.